People have senses. We can see, hear, smell, and touch. Those abilities make the world we can feel becomes a gorgeous and vivid whole. We can see the bright sunshine in the spring, taste the coolness of a bowl of watermelon-flavored smoothies in the summer, feel the ease of the autumn breeze, and be healed by the warmth of a bowl of noodles in the winter. We can feel the beauty of the world, how romantic it is. But this romance not only belongs to the creator who gave us those senses, but also belongs to the human beings who can feel it and take it as a big surprise. In October 2021, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to scientists David and Andrew for their discovery of touch and heat receptors. Me? Of course! The discovery of the thermoreceptor TRPV1 actually stems from the search for the capsaicin receptor. As early as 1990s, it was known that the capsaicin can activate nerve cells, which can cause pain. Oh, it's spicy! No, it's painful. But the mechanism behind it was still unknown. To study the mechanism, David and his colleagues constructed a library with millions of cDNA genes that they thought might be related to the capsaicin's activation. They divided the basket of DNA into 16,000 collections, which were later transfected into HEK293 cells. These cells do not have the ability to sense capsaicin and induce the corresponding neuron flows. No taste at all. Only when the gene which is responsible for encoding capsaicin receptor protein is transcribed, HEK293 cells can produce corresponding calcium iron flow. Therefore, with help of cDNA transfection and later testing the calcium iron flow in cells, they found that the cell transfected with POL11 showed a significantly enhanced calcium iron flow than the control group. They went back to this basket to verify the functions of those nearly 100 genes in cells, and found that one of the genes caused a very strong flow of calcium iron in cells. The iron channel protein encoded by this gene was later named as TRPV1. Further research also found that this protein was originally a heat-sensitive receptor. In addition to capsaicin, high temperature can also activate it and generate signals. Accordingly, the first temperature-sensitive receptor was discovered and published in 1997. Besides, about the discovery of the tactile perception 1 and 2 receptor, Adam and his colleagues selected the cell line neuron 2A, which can show a stable electrical signal when the cell surface is tapped by a pipette. Different from what David did, they silenced the expression of 17-3 gene related to the electrical signal channels by siRNA. Oh, darling, stop translating the protein. Let's elope. They found that the silencing of one of the genes would make the cell less sensitive to the tapping of the pipette. I have no feeling. What's up with you? The protein encoded by this silencer gene was named Piezo1. So far, it has been found to be related to the perception of mechanical stimuli. Based on the structural similarity, another protein, Piezo2, was also found. The significance of this work is that it opens a door for people about how organisms feel the difference between pain and touching. It's like a key, revealing a part of the secret about how the Creator empowers us with sensibility. In fact, this is not the first time that the Nobel Prize has been awarded to the discoverer of the receptors related to those senses. As early as 1911, 1912, and 2004, the Nobel Prize was awarded to research on vision, hearing, and smell. Some people say that this research is important because it will provide the possibility for the development of new analgesics. I believe it will, but for me, the award of the Nobel Prize is more like a scientist's romance. It does not directly meet the modern utilitarian purpose. Except caring for human diseases, scientists also care about whether the morning breeze can occasionally make you stop and smile. It was saying that I'm not only concerned about disease and health, but also about perception and embrace. Just like hospice care, in addition to the length of life, we also care about meaning and feelings. Some people are surprised that the Nobel Prize has not fallen on other drugs that are full of limelight. I have also thought about it, but the more I think about it, the more I feel the romance of the Nobel Prize. The good things for mankind are not only medical advancements and technological innovation, but also better performance of being a person and better ability to feel the beauties. It tells me that you can enjoy the hug, the sun, and the breeze. That's such a wonderful thing. The mountains are vast and the galaxies are hot. Thanks to the Creator for those senses, I can feel the beauty of the world and share it with you at this moment. See you.